Okay guys, replacing airbag on 2013 Kenworth T660. It's a left rear airbag. It's leaking on the bottom. Right now, the way to replace it without having to jack up the entire suspension is the airline, the transformer. This side goes into leveling valve. You have to pinch off this line that comes out of leveling valve. Get some pliers that go, special pliers, and you pinch it off and you disconnect this line. Then it goes to the front airbag, and this keeps air from coming into the airbag, so it's deflated right now, and the rest of the airbags are inflated, and they keep the suspension up, and that gives you enough room to remove this airbag. There's two bolts on the top, which are 9/16ths on the top. Remove those two bolts, and the bolt on the bottom is the bottom bolt is 3/4. So remove this bottom bolt and those two bolts on the top, and which I'm gonna do right now, and I'll update the video later.